Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to book an academic coaching or tutoring appointment with learning assistants in the AAC. You're going to start on your BSU student portal and you're going to go to the Academics tab right here and click on the Academic Achievement Center. After that, you're going to click on this button right here, which is going to take you to Accudemia. And this is your Accudemia homepage. Once you're there, you're going to click on Schedule Appointment. And you're going to see two different meeting types. The first one is coaching for time management and study skills, and this is to book an appointment with a coach to discuss skills such as time management, goal setting, and study skills. The second one is tutoring services, and this is for meeting with tutors from Tutoring Central, Math Services, Tutoring for Multilingual Services, Writing Studio, and Accounting and Finance. Each meeting type is offered for both in person or online, so you will want to pay attention to that when selecting your appointment. For example, I'm going to go ahead and make an appointment for the writing studio in person, and I'm going to choose the class that I need help with. And you're going to see the availability of all the tutors for this week. Since it's almost the end of the week, there isn't a lot of slots left, so we can go to next week and you're going to see a bigger variety of appointments available to book from. Now, the default duration for an appointment is 30 minutes, but you can also go ahead and change that to 1 hour if you like. And in order to get to know your coach or tutor some more, you can click on the bio card to the left of their name and you can see more information about them. I'm going to go ahead and choose an appointment time. Here you can set up recurrence for making a more consistent meeting type with your tutor or coach. You can attach a document, add some notes. You're going to see all of your appointment information over here and you can go ahead and click confirm. Once that's confirmed, both you and the tutor are going to get an email confirming the appointment. And if that's an online appointment, then you will also receive an email with a link for that appointment, but you can access that appointment through Accudemia as well. On the day off, you can go to your homepage and you're going to find a Join Now button right here. If for whatever reason you need to cancel an appointment, then you can click on View All. You're going to see your appointment right here. You can go ahead, select that, and click on Cancel, and your appointment would be canceled.